if you are a small business owner, you must watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you something super interesting. And if we go over to the meta ad library and you see these folks running ads, we're going to click on one of these ads just because. Now you can tell with this ad, it's not going to interrupt any patterns. They totally blew their opportunity and wasting money, but guess what? We're just going to click on it anyways. And look at this landing page. You see this landing page? It doesn't say anywhere on the top half of the fold where they can get that offer they just clicked on. You have 5 seconds, just 5. And if they don't see it, they bounce. That's why we created story bubbles. And now our story bubbles have a call to action at the bottom of them. You can check it out right here. It's super easy to use. You embed it on your landing page within your website. So when they get from that ad to your page, it's 1 click away. They're there within 2 seconds flat. Decrease your bounce rate, increase conversions with story bubbles.